Accelerate asset management implementation for hydropower plant.
Far from civilization, deep in a remote valley surrounded by rugged terrain, stands a solitary hydropower plant. In a control room many miles away from the site, an operator suddenly notices an alert flashing on the HMI screen. The temperature sensors on the stator of Unit 2 are showing elevated readings. On the screen, the system displays the reference designations based on ISO IEC 81346 for the stator equals F1, A1, RA2, RK1. These designations form part of a structured plant register.
Welcome to a demonstration of the DataQuality and Governance suite. After successfully logging in, we access the core functionality of the platform, navigating to the Content Manager.
We now proceed to import the structured asset data for hydropower plant.
The hydropower plant is linked as both the process functional and process product, signifying its dual role. We then assign a location, in this case, CT52, country area, to anchor the asset geographically. Now, we build the functional breakdown. We start by expanding the hydropower plant functional structure, revealing its major subsystems, including power generation, intake system. Next, we delve deeper into the power generation component. We expand Unit 1 to view its systems, such as the hydraulic system, cooling water system, leak water system, and other critical mechanical and electrical measurement points, as well as the generator itself. We continue to refine the hierarchy, specifically detailing the subcomponents of the power supply. This includes the auxiliary power system, local power, and emergency power systems, ensuring a comprehensive asset view.
Okay.
We choose to proceed based on functional location data. The system now presents the functional hierarchy ready for integration. We see the fully structured hierarchy, from the main hydropower plant down to individual components. Clicking the asset reveals its details in the flock search view, including its description, creation dates, and ERP status.